I'm Julie Kay. I'm a human rights attorney and author. Over 70% of Americans do support the Roe versus Wade framework, so this is really a political minority.
The anti-abortion folks really get out and vote, and so we need to do the same thing. And to protect abortion rights, we need to vote like it matters, because it does to so many people, because it's a fundamental human right to decide whether, when, and with whom to have a child or not. There's a lot we can do and that we will take action in this country, and I think the U.S. needs to follow the model of other countries that have been liberalizing abortion laws.
Talk about what happened in Ireland.
Ireland was a very progressive country, but had zero access to abortion. Even saying the word abortion was stigmatized.
Everybody knows and loves somebody who has had an abortion. 1 in 4 women in this country have had an abortion in her lifetime. We have to stop playing politics with abortion rights. There's some real harm caused in denying access to abortion. Criminalizing women's necessary health care puts their lives and well-being at risk.
There's a lot of unclarity around the status of the law right now. There's a lot of anti-abortion politicians and prosecutors in red states making some pretty big claims about what they're going to do or how far the law reaches, as far as even stopping women from traveling between states and other trampling of our rights. People in poverty, teens, and disproportionately women of color lack access to healthcare services. So in my view, we have a lot of work to do as a country.
This bill 1709 offers a much-needed legal protection to doctors, midwives, and advanced practitioners in New York who could be providing reproductive health care nationwide. We need to think about, what can I do? How can I help somebody? And what does the law say? That's something that, as a lawyer, I'm very pleased when I can speak to media, when I can speak to groups. So even having the court directing the FDA is really just unprecedented here. And now we're looking at the harm that's unfolding for women and pregnant people nationwide as we're thrown into just chaos and threats of criminality that shouldn't be allowed to happen. And so we're really looking at an attempt to use the courts and to use them improperly, frankly. I don't think you can underestimate how stigmatizing it becomes when it's criminalized. We need to change how we talk about this issue.
This is a right, not just a choice.
Our human rights are at stake here. We need to vote for those legislators who are going to stand up and say that this right matters and that it won't be taken away.
When I look at the landscape of where we are today, I see that there is public support for abortion rights beyond what we've ever seen before. And I know that by using the human rights model and some smart strategies, we can move things forward in this country. We can restore and even expand our reproductive freedoms for everybody.